Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious red chicken pozole. In case you guys don't know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 5 pounds of chicken, 110 ounces of pre-cooked hominy, 20 New Mexico chile pods, 5 chile morita, 3 chile ancho, 1 small white onion, garlic, 3 big leaves, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by grabbing a large pot. We're going to add 18 cups of water, and to that we're going to add half of an onion, garlic, 3 bay leaves, and salt. And we're just going to wait for it to come to a boil. Okay guys, so once our water comes to a boil, we're going to throw in our chicken. And I'm using chicken breast and chicken legs. Just make sure that it has bone. Okay, so once all of our chicken is inside the water, now we're just going to wait for it to come to a boil again and just have it set on high heat. Okay guys, so once our chicken comes to a boil, we're just going to remove any foam form on top of our broth. Okay, so now we're going to add our hominy. So make sure that you rinse it really well. Pour it in. Just mix it. So we're going to cover it, reduce the heat to medium-low, and now we're just going to allow it to cook. And meanwhile, we can make our chile sauce. All right, so we're going to grab all of our chiles. We're going to give them a quick rinse, and we're also going to remove the stem and the seeds. And I'm also going to add chile de árbol, just to add a little bit more spice. And to that, we're going to add 5 cups of water. We're going to set it on high heat and bring it to a boil. Okay, so once our chiles come to a boil, we're going to turn it off. And now we're just going to transfer them into our blender cup. Okay, so to our blender cup, we're also going to add 4 garlic cloves, the other half of the onion, all of our spices, and the water that we boiled our chiles. Okay, so now we're just going to blend until we have a very smooth sauce. Alright, so once we have our chile sauce, now we're going to fry it. Okay, so we're going to grab our frying pan, we're going to set it on medium heat, and we're going to add a little bit of oil. So we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up, and then we can throw in our salsa. Okay, so once our oil is hot, we're going to throw in our sauce. And make sure that you strain if you need to. So just mix it. I'm going to add a little bit of water to my blender cup. Okay, so just mix it. And we're going to let it come to a simmer and then let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Alright, so after 5 minutes, our sauce is ready. So now we're just going to set it to the side. Alright, so after 25 minutes, our chicken should be ready. So now we're just going to remove it from the broth, so like that we can shred it. So I'm just going to remove the chicken breast. And you also want to remove the onion and the garlic and reduce the heat to low setting. Alright, so now we're just going to shred our chicken. Just whatever way it's easier for you. You can use your mixer if you want. Okay guys, so once we have our chicken all nice and shredded, now we are ready to put our pozole together. Okay, so we're going to turn up the heat to medium again. And now we're going to add our red sauce. So just be careful. Okay. Just grab everything. Okay, so now we're going to add our chicken. We're going to mix it. And at this point, you can try it for salt and see if you want to add any more. Check mine. For me, it's perfect. So now we're just going to let it come to a simmer. Alright guys, so once our pozole comes to a simmer, it is now ready. I'm just going to add a little bit more oregano, but of course that's all optional. So just mix it, and just like that, we have our delicious chicken pozole. So now we are ready to serve. Okay, so we're just going to grab a delicious pozole. Grab your piernita and of course the broth. Alright, so now we are ready to top our delicious pozole with all of our favorite toppings. Alright, so we're just going to top it with some cabbage, onion, radish, and I'm going to add my delicious cucumber salsa, and that one already has a lot of lime. Okay, and I'm going to be serving it with some chips. Alrighty, and just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious red chicken pozole. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys, I'm making this pozole seriously super easy. It's fast. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Let me tell you that it's seriously super delicious. So let me just mix everything. It's still a little bit hot, and of course, you know me, I like my pozole to be a little spicy. Not too much where my kids can enjoy it, but if you don't want it to be spicy at all, just use the guajillo chile pots, and that's it. But let's just mix it and enjoy. It's still hot, but seriously, it's super delicious. The best pozole. It's so flavorful. The chile, the chicken, everything is just perfect. The chicken is not overcooked, which makes it even better. It's so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious red chicken pozole. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you ever get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.